Hidden inputs in Aliveforms are very powerful. In this example, we are going to see how to use hidden inputs to check the time taken by the user to fill the form. To start, create a new form and select the type generic, then give it a title. Add screens to your form. In the first hidden input, add a JavaScript function. In the second hidden input, calculate the time by subtracting the current time from the time recorded in the first hidden input. Save the form. Set up the theme. Publish the form. Preview it to see the hidden inputs in action.